Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 HITBOX welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected HITBOX MIG Welder. Product details. Brand name, HITBOX. Weight, 12.5 kilograms. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, MIG 250. Dimensions, 425 x 183 290 millimeters. Usage, MIG ARC TIG welding. Plug type, EU plug. Item number 2 is a HITBOX MIG welding machine MIG 250. Product details. Brand name, HITBOX. Weight, 12.5 kilograms. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, MIG 250. Dimensions, 425 x 183 290 millimeters. Usage, MIG ARC TIG welding. Plug type, EU plug. On the top of our list at number 1 we have HITBOX MIG Welder Semi-Automatic 110 volts 220 volts Inverter. Product details. Brand name, HITBOX. Weight, 7 kilograms. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, HBM 1200. Dimensions, 37 x 38 centimeters. Usage, gas/no gas welding. Rated input current, 22A. Rated power capacity, 5.1 kVA. Voltage, 110 volts/220 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.